morning, friends. I thought I'd take you along today as I go and get a couple things for, well, I'm hoping to get a couple things for decorating for Valentine's Day, as well as a couple other supplies that I need, just some household stuff, and also some DIY supplies for creating some DIYs. Some are going to be Halloween. Valentine's, and some are going to be just normal DIY supplies for every day. I'm at our local Dollar Tree, and I thought I'd take you along and show you what we have, and the fact that our prices in Canada are now $1.50. Used to be $1.25. I think there's still some items that are $1.25, but a lot of it will be $1.50. So let's see what they have. Right when you walked in, they had a decent amount of DIY supplies. I like these grapevine hearts, and I did pick those up. And then they just had some wood cutouts, lots of obviously party supplies and for school or for daycare, and daycare crafts as well. But I was more looking for wood cutouts, and I was hoping I would have found a gnome sign, but I had no luck with that.
Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna talk, I'm right here, not gonna leave your side. Just feel free to open up when the moment's right. Across your face, it is written across your face. If you wanna go out, we can go out. You can hide away just for one night. But if you wanna cry, just let it out.
I thought these galvanized lips and cupcakes and hearts were pretty neat.
I'm by your side now. Just hold on a bit more, 'cause I know.
So that was it for the Valentine's section. Now we moved on to the gardening, and they always have well-stocked shelves when it comes to pots for gardens, and I was quite impressed with the florals they had, even though I'm not an overly huge fan with the florals that Dollar Tree carries. I think Dollarama's florals are much better. They are a little bit more expensive as well, but I think they are a little bit more nicer than these ones. I do tend to find things here and there, and you will see which ones I picked up. Then I didn't go through all the aisles. I didn't go through the card aisle, but at the end of the card aisle, I did come across this chalk paint, and I was so happy that I had found some chalk paint. So they had acrylic paint, easy pour paint. I have no idea what that is, if it's any different than acrylic. They had tempera paint, and then they had a couple boxes of the chalked paint. So I picked up several colors. I did I mention they also had oil paint? Yes. So, and I'm not quite sure, like I said, what some of these were, like what is a pouring paint, easy pour paint. Like I know what oil paint is, obviously know what chalk and acrylic and tempera, but easy pour and all the other pours, I did not know what it was. So then here is the party section, and it kind of goes into the little bin section, like the storage bin section. And I usually like to buy my bins here because they are significantly cheaper than at the Dollarama. However, they don't always have the colors that I'm looking for. I prefer white bins or black bins. I do like the brown ones that they have, but sometimes they just don't have enough of the color that I'm looking for. And this is a school supply and craft supply aisle. So this is usually where I shop the most. So they had a ton more acrylic paint here, which was nice to see because we have been on a shortage of acrylic paint since like the start of the pandemic, so it was nice to see it all restocked. They also had the small glue guns, which is nice. I think they were $1.50. And like I mentioned, some items are $1.50, some are $1.25. I thought this paintbrush holder was pretty neat. And then over here we have some animals. There were some frogs and some birds. I think this is all for like the, what is that little, what is it called? The little tiny fairy village. I think that's a fairy garden. That's it, for fairy garden. So I thought that was pretty neat what they had there. And then I moved on to the candle section, and I thought this candle holder was pretty neat. I did not pick it up. And now I'm kind of thinking maybe I should have, to go with my lemon theme. And then I also like these little heart plates that they had for like to drop your jewelry or even put a candle on top of it. Thought they were pretty neat. So lots of different candles there. And then in a different section, they had more wood cutouts. So had the wood coaster set, which is the square ones, which I showed before. And then they also had a different section with some more wood cutouts. But this completes my tour. I ended up getting a toilet bowl brush, which I did not take you along for that. All right, so I'm back in the car. And I thought I'd do a little haul and show you all the things that I have gotten. I have spent, what did I, did she put the receipt in here or did I put it in the pocket? I know it was $48 is what I spent. And I got a toilet brush. I buy these because I just do. If you know, you know. And then I bought this. I thought this would be a great DIY to make for on top of my fireplaces or somewhere along the lines like that. And then I got, oh, there's a receipt. Hold on. So I spent $48.97. And I paid for 2 bags, which was 10 cents. I'm just trying to see if it says how many items I have gotten. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 32 items at $48.97. There's 13% tax there, so I did see quite a bit of items at $1.50, and they all had a price tag. Like this wheel was $1.50. The toilet paper brush was $1.25. These are $1.25. I got 3 of them. Here's the third one. And then I also got just some like a plaid ribbon for $1.50 because that's good for Valentine's, but I can also use it for Canada Day or Christmas or any of those, like for those holidays. And then I got a few items for Valentine's Day, so I like these for signs, and I thought these would be cool for signs too. Then I got the grapevine hearts. There's 5 of them in here. So these were all $1.25. These are great for tier tray fillers and for DIYs. And then I think, oh yeah, and I got these wooden hearts as well. So I think that's about it for the Valentine's per se specifically. But then I also picked up a whole bunch of these little canvases. So I got this one. This one was $1.50. Then I got two of these. These were $1.25. And then these ones were $1.25 as well. But I picked them up for the frames. I really like those frames, and they tend to be a little bit cheaper than actually buying square frames like that or rectangular frames like that. And then I picked up this one at $1.25 as well. I think I'm gonna use this for one of the Valentine's Day DIY. I needed some foam brushes, so I picked up a variety pack, and this was $1.25. The set of two little wreaths, $1.50 for two. And then I picked up, I thought these were laser cut craft wood minis. I thought these were these were cute. So this was $1.25. And then I picked up two of these, and these were $1.25 as well. It's just a little bit thicker than the rope that I have at home. And then my hands have been really bad because it's super cold, so I'm going to try this hand and nail glove. It's like a mask for your hands, so I thought I'd try that out, something fun. And then I got these two birds. I thought these would be fun to DIY over, actually. And then, which I thought was a bit of a jackpot on, because I have not seen these here, are these, and I don't know whether these are actually a good deal at $1.50, but let me know what you think. Are these a good deal? So these are chalk paint. So I got some in lamb black, in brown, brilliant red, and magenta. And then I also got one in green light. Thought these would be fun for Easter, some of them, and spring. And then I also got sap green, which is more of a, I think, a green that's popular now. And then I also needed some just brown, and I just realized I picked up tempera paint and not the acrylic paint, but we'll make it work. We'll see. Might not work. So I think that's it as far as the haul goes. It is a little bit saddening that some of the items that, you know, were $1.25 are now $1.50, but I guess you guys are experiencing the same thing in US with it going up to $1.25. So I just hope it doesn't go further up. Dollarama's already up to some items at $4. So I mean, I'm interested to see if it's gonna go past that. But there's still items that are cheaper than, let's say, Michael's or somewhere else as far as the little crafting wood things. But sometimes you have to watch. That's what I was saying with the chalk paint, whether I would be better off getting a bigger size of chalk paint and be like, it'll cost me less. Except I don't really want a huge amount of bright green chalk paint because I'm not going to be using that, probably only a little bit. So a little jar might be a better idea. I don't know. It's so confusing to me, all these prices going up and stuff and things like that. But what can you do? Not much. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you're not, and I will see you all in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
You only see the